Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to completely uninstall Valorant from PC. Whenever you are trying to uninstall the game, you got the error, Riot Client is still running. Let's uninstall the Valorant guys. To do this, click on this system tray. If Riot Client or Riot Vanguard is running in the background, then you just need to right click on it and select exit it. After doing it, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type a percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here, you just need to search for Riot Games. Just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting this folder, you can close out of here and go to search menu and type Valorant. Just select the uninstall option and uninstall the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.